Hey guys, welcome back to Modded Performance. Today we are in my F150, my 2001, and I'm scratching my head a little bit because I'll explain what's going on. We have some key issues here. So when I bought the truck, it had one key, and I did not know the door code to the punch pad. That is this little guy right there. Super awesome function, and I'm like, I want that to work. So having only one key, I went into my Ford dealership and they hacked on their computers and they cut a new key for me and programmed it to the truck. So now I have two good keys and they figured out what door code that is. So now that is functional. However, my Viper remote start does not work, and I'll show you why. So under the dash, this is for keeping the PATS system happy. There's a key that is in this box, and the Viper system senses the code that's in the chip, and then that routes it to a wire that is in there, and that keeps the PATS system happy. So when you hit remote start, it starts the truck. So now with my two new keys, I have the ability to program extra keys because you have to have two known keys. So I was like, okay, well, we'll just take this guy out of here and we'll just program it. But no, this key does not turn in the ignition. So then I'm like, oh, maybe they changed just the ignition lock cylinder some time ago. But then I go to my door. It does not open in the door. So I have no idea how this key actually got programmed before to make that remote start system work. I have no idea. But now I have two known good keys, and I went to Ford. I picked up a third key. We're gonna program that key. We're gonna go here, throw this one in the garbage, and get my remote start working. Here we go. All right, so I got my two known good keys, 1, 2, and I got my new key. I went straight to Ford because I'm like, I want the right Ford one. I don't want to mess around. So we're good to go. And so we go here. One good known key in. And that light is off. Boom. Take that one out. Put this one in. Watch for the theft light to go out. Boom. Put this one in. New key time. Oh, get in there. There we go, theft light went out. So, in theory, that should be all we need to do. From the instructions that I read, I now need to wait 1 minute. So, we're gonna wait a little bit and then see if that new key starts.
1 minute later.
All right, so I waited 1 minute. I've got my new key still left in the bag. Moment of truth time. Ah, we are good. There we go. So yeah, when you have two known good keys, it's very easy to program a new one. But if you only have one, you gotta take it to the dealership and all that fun stuff. But yeah, now I will install this key into that slot there and my remote start should work. So there we go, we're solving problems. Anyway, have yourself a good one. Remember to like and subscribe. And as always, if it ain't broke, go drive it.